What you doing, Baxter? Come here. Bielefelder Chickens eating lettuce. Yep. Ooh. They killing it. Anyway, my rooster got a haircut today. What you got a haircut for? Ooh, Brittany. Yeah, I don't know. Papa. Mama hen also got a haircut today. Ooh, you're so pretty. So pretty. You get pampered with. Oh, nice. So my Bielefelder chickens, they'll be 2 months old on the 5th of September. And for some reason they really like their special treats every day. Lettuce today. They're enjoying it pretty good. Ooh, that's a big mama right there. That's a big old mommy. Yellow feet. So sweet. Yeah, the rooster and the mama hen got haircuts today. I'll try to show you one of them. I can already tell you though that oh, there's an ambulance coming by and now they're a little bit nervous. I got one wanting to go inside. Oh, that's cool. And my babies. So Maxi, the mama hen, has decided she wants to come and see me. Oh goodness. You pretty baby? You got a pamper? She said, ooh. She said, I got a haircut. Yes, daddy. I got one wanting to go inside. Bielefelder chickens. And a mama hen and a rooster that wants to go inside. Anyway, checking, make sure none of them have no dirty booties or nothing. Hey, y'all have a great day. My name's Paul, and you know I'm always outdoors, right? All right, thank you for watching.